I'm bored of my portfolio. I want to think about something that's unique, that hasn't been done 100 times over. So let's go back to the start and see how we got here. I saw a really cool game portfolio a while back, and I know that's definitely something I want to do. So I did some research and I found Phaser and Tiled. These are a game framework and a software that can help me build like this Minecraft Lego-like world. And that concludes day one. We actually got a boat moving, which is a win in my book. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I just finished building my map in Tiled. You know, the boat moves very slowly and the collisions look really wonky, but I'm very happy. Stop. Before we go any further, I need to think about my plan. What am I actually doing here? So I can break down this project into two main goals. One, I want something cool, I want something unique. But two, I gotta keep in mind this is still a portfolio. How about this? I'd make it so that the boat can visit islands, and each island you visit, you can interact with it. Here we have a working prototype, heavy emphasis on the word prototype and little emphasis on the word working. And I like that idea. So in the next few days, I spent polishing it a little bit, and this is what we got. We're still colliding on invisible things, but I think we're in a good spot. It's time for another thinking intermission. This is great, but this only works on desktop. But what if someone on their phone wants to check it? And this is why I spent the least amount of effort possible making a simple CSS joystick with two little circles on top of each other. Also, I expanded the map and I added more projects and stuff. Now let's add a title screen with some instructions since we're thinking about user-friendliness. Unfortunately, our map mimics a flat earth, so we need a way to move the user back, just falling into the void forever. Over the next 2 months, I got busier with school and I started another project, so I kind of just chipped away at this little diaper. So let's speedrun this.
Optimize SEO, performance with videos and large images, added more islands for my projects, for my work experience, for Olympic weightlifting, and for education, and a ton of refactoring, making sure that there's no redundant CSS files. I added a loading screen, added an "Are you sure" screen for mobile users so that I can't be blamed if it sucks.
And I added a map, but then I removed that map because I thought it was too cumbersome, and then I replaced it with a mini map. At this point, I'm pretty much done, letting people try it out and see how do they react to it? What do they like? What do they dislike? And of course, one of the things I noticed was that as much as I love this game, not everyone has the time to play a game to find out about me. So now there is a homepage with clickable tiles. So that is the 2-month summary of my humble little portfolio. And you can check it out right now, whenever you want, at jacobfang.com. Thank you.